How to transfer money from Revolut to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from your bank account. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money to your bank account from Revolut. So to do that, first of all, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the transfer tab, which is on the bottom side of your screen. After that, tap on the new option, which is in the top right corner, and then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all select bank recipient, since we are here to transfer to our bank account. Now once you've done that, where it says account details, you'll have to simply enter details such as the country of recipient's bank, currency, IBAN, first and middle names. Now you may be wondering whose details you'll have to add here. Simply add your own bank details, as we are transferring it to our own bank. So simply enter all of your details right over here. Now you will show up as one of the recipients on your own account. So simply tap on your name and then simply select the amount you like to transfer to your bank account. And once you've done that, once you tap on the option continue, you will have successfully transferred money from your Revolut to your bank account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.